All right, what's up guys? How's it going? Mark Freeman 408. We got a special delivery from Bullite. So we got some fresh rims that we're gonna mount these studded tires on. So we got them studded a few weeks ago and then we had a bit of an issue. So we've got it all sorted. We got our rims now and I can't wait to test these on the ice before the spring hits. So let's do the unboxing. First you'll need a box cutter. You'll also need a 1/2 inch impact and a torque wrench. So let's get started. Ooh, look at these things. So this is the bead lock ring that goes on the outside. Out here. And then we got our rim. So if you're new to ATVing or don't know much about rims, bead locks basically pinch the bead on the edge there. So if you come around a corner real fast and you're not running high pressure, the tire won't pop off the rims. So they are a little more expensive, but they're definitely worth it. I've been running bead locks since I started ATV racing. And then now since I've been doing side-by-sides, I only run bead locks because I don't want my tire to fall off. So yeah, basically to get started, like I said, you'll need your box cutter. You'll need the 1/2 inch impact. Preferably, you should torque these on. I usually tighten them with the impact first and then I torque them, or else it'll take you all day. So yeah, here's our torque wrench. Let's start installing some bolts and get these tires on. Unboxing complete. These are some sexy rims. Oh dear. So obviously nothing's attached yet. We're gonna get these tires. These are 30s. So I usually run 32s, but for studded, I'm gonna run 30s just so they don't rub. Obviously I don't want the bolts rubbing. I'll rip my plastic apart. So yeah, and then basically these are the caps. These just pop on. I know they are gonna be switching to bolt on soon. But yeah, so they just pop on there. Boom, that's it. All right, let's get these tires mounted. Easy enough, all mounted in there. So best way to do it, use a bit of soapy water. Rub it around the edge of the tire on the bead, and then rub it around the edge of the rim. And then I just boot stomp them in there. Just slide right in. I'm out of breath. Whew. All right, let's get these rings put on, then we'll put some air in them. Jaybirds here. Gotta go get the Razor fixed for the 100th time. Check out his new trailer and then hit some ice later. Let's do it. I just swung by the shop to pump him up. We got Razor Blade here. He cut his beard off.
I know, I feel like I'm 10 years younger. I'm like, where's my face?
So the best way to do this, put water on the back, obviously. Just put some water and/or soap. And then we just have it stacked on a battery and an old ATV rim. Then you put the air on, push the edges down, and usually it seals if it doesn't fall off our battery mount.
I should build it like a stand so it doesn't move.
I mean, we shouldn't be changing tires as often as we do, but we do.
We
all right,
we won't for a while though.
Grab
all kinds of rims though.
Yeah, true. Grab the air there, and let's see. So we just put our weight on the edges, bend the wall down.
Done.
Oh yeah. And just like that, she'll seal right up.
You want to stand it up?
Yeah, sure.
Go?
So yeah, that's just our ATV rim. Yeah. So it hasn't popped on yet, but it is sealing. All right, we'll do the other three and we'll get back to the house and get them mounted.
All right, are they gonna grip?
Oh yeah, these tires. Like we didn't usually put 3/4 studs per lug, but we still wanted, you know, to be able to let it dance, right? But yeah, just like dragging on the ice.
Oh, she's
Look
gonna
at that,
grip.
just scratch them up.
And she's gonna grip good.
Yeah, like it's gonna dig right down so fast. So
Right on.
I don't hear any pin leaks in any of them. So
No, we haven't tested them, but
yeah,
they should be
we'll figure
good.
it out once it's tested, and if not, we'll just put tubes in them. But I think they'll be fine. You know, as long as they hold air for a day,
We're good.
one film shoot, I'm happy.
Look at these rims. I love the rims, man.
Yeah, they look neat, eh?
The color is sweet.
We're gonna get some different rings too, so we'll swap out rings now and again as well.
Also, they have different colors. Nice.
Yeah, they have I think 6 different colors. So,
Sweet.
but I think the red looks the best.
Looks
so,
great.
Yeah.
Goes with everything.
Yeah. All right, let's we'll get them mounted and head out. All right, rims and tires are mounted. Now I gotta go rescue Zan. He went on a mission and apparently he's stuck in the Kubota. So I think these are his tracks. So I'm just gonna follow them, see where we end up. Didn't look that deep. It never does. Yeah. Gonna charge you a minutely rate. Gonna charge you a minutely rate for this thing. All right, ready for a quick tug?
Always up for a quick tug.
You wanna go backwards? Sure. All right, winch away. Give her a tug. Let's get that Warren winch working good. Come on, muscles. It's on your face. Oh yeah. Thank you, Warren winches. Oh yeah. These Assassinators by Super ATV. Absolutely amazing. Well, we're at Jay's favorite place, the dealership, getting this thing fixed for the 90,000th time. Rule number 1, Jay, go buy a Polaris. Yeah. Oh, and Buchert's here too.
Oh, yeah.
What's up? We picked him up on the way. And we're also matching.
Same coach. Gotta get the work hours in to get paid.
You just washed yours.
It's 6 times. You gotta wash it with a bag of sand each time.
I haven't washed mine once. I got an original stank on this. I got some freshy car boots though. All right, so apparently the bearing in the clutch went, the idle bearing or something, so it's very hard to shift. Once it's in gear, it's fine, but also they haven't put any salt down anywhere. It's a hazard out here. This thing is clean, ole! Gotta get those rims on this thing. Get the Bullites on here.
It's gotta go on the other machine.
Oh yeah, the freshie.
Now you'll see soon.
All right, back this thing off. Oh, I got like a damn skating rink here. Sounds like it shifted no problem, Jay.
Right there it did.
Oh yeah.
Unless you won't shift now. And look how hard that is.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Look how hard I'm pulling on this. Look at this.
Give her a yank.
That's about how hard I pull on it.
All right, let's burn this thing and get out of here. Can you turn the trailer around there, Justin?
Yeah, I'm just gonna move it. Oh, it's slushy here.
Oh, it was a good idea over there, and then we got over here and it's all slushy. Let's move her over a little bit. Perfect. Okay, let's roll. Quick pit stop. Yep. Oh, for Brad.
Yeah, for Brad.
Look at this thing, Jay. This is the most random video we've done. We're at frickin' Krabby's, we're at the dealership, we're mounting tires. Anyways, this is Jay's new trailer.
Look how big it is.
And his castle jacket that he's gonna burn.
We're getting it signed first. And then
How many feet is this? 28?
This is 26 feet.
26?
And then we got 4 feet of nose up here.
So it's 26 to here? Or here?
So 26 right to the door here.
Oh,
Door
okay.
to here, maybe.
Yeah, we could squeeze a few in here. A couple bunk beds.
Man.
Right, Justin?
Yeah, your machine's what, 11 feet?
11, yeah.
Jay's is probably 4.
You're so reflective, Jay.
Hey,
Not too bad.
the heights are
Oh, you went with more lights,
So we
eh?
added way more lights.
Yeah, just in case we're having a dance party in
Oh,
here.
man.
Oh, hello. Lights work.
So that's nice and bright.
Yeah, that's bright enough. We're gonna have to put a bug zapper in here.
New trailers, I guess, to come with lights, eh? The new trailers, I guess, to come with lights.
Yeah.
Check out Gremar Trailers. Get yourself a custom built trailer. Woo. This thing is mean. I love the handles too, or the latches.
They're nice latches.
Those are nice latches. Nice. All right. Well, should we go see if your Polaris is ready
Yeah.
for the scrapyard? And then we'll go hit some ice with the studded tires.
It better be. It better be ready to lose my mind.
DeWalt. All right. Day ended up being a little longer than we thought, but that's okay. We're losing light, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna do a quick ice rip. The horse arena over there is full of ice, so Trudge is gonna come give me a hand. I'm just gonna swap these tires out quick. Throw the Bullites on with the studs. Oh man, they're still full of air. They haven't leaked yet, so let's check them out. See if we can do this. With the Bullites on. Finally, we got Trudge here. He's got his crabbing gloves.
Gotta have the crowd.
Yeah, we're going crabbing later. Couple Krabby Patties. Oh, look at this. All right, let's test her out. These things are gonna shred. All right, let's go find some ice.
crazy.
It's mind-blowing. I've gone from zero traction all winter to like, I feel like I'm on pavement.
I know. I am surprised.
And 30 inches is perfect because I usually run 32s, and when you're turning and you hit a bump, they do rub. So it's nice knowing that these aren't going to rub. So huge thank you to Bullite rims. Absolutely impressed with the rims and the tires. I'm so glad we studded them and I got an extra pair. So I think we're going to go out again tomorrow, see if we can find like an actual huge iced up area that we can actually rip and, you know, get some full speed going. So thank you guys again. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, and go to PV Mart or TSC or Home Hardware. This cost me, I think, 50 bucks to do instead of $700 studs. So thank you guys again. We'll see you later.